Hi, boys and girls. At this point, you should have visited your Google Classroom, watched the video, and be prepared with what you need to do to create your creative footprint. So to do this is a quick video tutorial for you. If you choose to follow the video as opposed to the printed directions, you're going to go to wordart.com, click Create Now, and right away, the first thing that you need to do is click on Shapes. And in the filter section, type in footprint, hold down and click on the footprint, and then click on the word visualize. And you'll see the footprint will come in with words that you did not choose. So then you're going to go to words, and we're going to take out the word word and maybe type in a word of your choosing. Take out the word cloud. And these are just words that I'm making up. You can obviously choose whatever word you want to. And then you can type in new words and hit enter and go on with words that you are choosing. Once you've put in all of the words that you want, you're going to click visualize again. So visualize allows you to see the changes that you've made. From here, if you wanted to change words again or add more words, you could go on and continue to do that and just hit visualize. And if you want to get more creative, you can go to fonts and change the fonts. You can go to layout and change the layout. You can go to style, change the style. But any changes that you make, anytime you make a change, you want to make sure you click the word visualize to see the changes. And then from there, after you've made those changes, you can make more and continue to hit visualize. Once you're happy with all of your choices, you're going to take a screenshot. And if you don't know how to do that, you're going to hold down the Shift key, the Control key, and the Show Windows key, which is above the number 6, that strange shape above the number 6. Hold all three of those down at the same time. And then hit the word Capture. From here, the footprint ends up in your downloads. Okay, so we need you to end up putting this in a shared folder. And if you want, that shared folder is on your Google Classroom. So if you go back to your Google Classroom, this is just a sample that I created. Yours is going to look different, but your folder will be there. You can click on the folder and go to New, File Upload, Downloads, and add the screenshot of your footprint to the folder. What I would do first, before you close out, is click on this and rename it to your name. Click OK, because your teachers need to know which footprint belongs to which student. All right? Good luck, boys and girls. Have fun creating your footprints.